Pakistan's cross-border terrorism policy will never succeed, and it can have no expectation of impunity. On the contrary, actions will certainly have consequences. The issue to be resolved between us is now only the vacation of illegally occupied Indian territory by Pakistan, and of course, the abandonment of Pakistan's long-standing attachment to terrorism.
India continues to peddle a false narrative in this forum, year after year. However, these distortions cannot alter the reality that Jammu and Kashmir is an internationally recognized disputed territory. It has never been, nor will ever be, a part of India, nor is it an internal matter. It is ironic that a country which uses terrorism as an instrument of state policy against its neighbors should attempt to point fingers at others. India continues to sponsor terror activities not only against Pakistan, but also in other countries. For decades, India has been the primary perpetrator, supporter, and financer of terrorism. India's sponsorship of terrorist organizations such as Tehreek-e-Taliban, Pakistan, and the Balochistan Liberation Army has led to the loss of thousands of innocent Pakistani lives. Pakistan has shared irrefutable evidence of India's involvement in terrorism with the international community. The arrest and conviction of Kulbhushan Yadav, a serving Indian naval officer and an operative of India's intelligence agency RAW, is irrefutable evidence of India's state-sponsored terrorism against Pakistan. While the Indian delegate referred to India as the biggest democracy, the world knows that India's reign of terror against its minorities continues unabated. The BJP RSS government, which has ruled India since 2014, is imposing a reign of fear and violence, not only against the people of IIOJK, but also against its own Muslims, Christians, Dalits, and other low-caste Hindus.
Its leadership has often threatened to cross the line of control and take over Azad Kashmir. Let me state in no uncertain terms that Pakistan will respond most decisively to any Indian aggression